Hi, I'm Adam from Gambry Tech, and I'm going to show you how to navigate and use our website. This year we are focusing on helping those doing the QQI Level 2 Computer Studies, whereas last year we focused on helping the elderly learn to use computers. You are currently looking at our homepage. From here you can view any pictures of our various outings. If you look at the top of the page, then you will see that there are 6 different sections to our site. We will cover these one by one throughout the video. Clicking on any of these will bring you to its respective page. The QQI page is where we put all of our videos designed to help with the QQI Level 2 Computer Studies course. The page labeled video tutorials will bring you to where all of our videos designed to help the elderly learn to use computers are. On the Starter Software page, you will find a list of programs you will need when you start operating your computer first. The fifth tab, labeled Contact, is where you can get in touch with us if you have any questions. The final tab is where you can get more information about our team. Thanks for watching. We hope this was helpful to you.